The school placement for 2023 candidates is out, and also so many people didn't go to the school. Self-placement was not available for everybody, but here are some ways you can get your self-placement done as quick as possible. First thing first, if you are watching this video, kindly drop a comment if you did not go to school. And then secondly, WhatsApp the number you are seeing on the screen. The number is only on WhatsApp, not for calls, only on WhatsApp. After you WhatsApp, tell us the school that you want. If it is available, we will do the self-placement for you. If it is not available, we show you the necessary way out. If you are interested, you get to the school of your choice. Yes, so as you can see, this was a student who changed his school placement from Lebanon to ACCRA Academy. You know, ACCRA Academy was a very good school and is also ranked as a school. As you can see, this guy badly wants his first choice and then he got it. So if you also want your first choice, you want your second choice, kindly WhatsApp the number you are seeing on the screen. And the second thing to do is make sure you share this particular video to all your classmates. Make sure you share this particular video to all your classmates, and then also share it to groups that you are in so that they can also get the school of their choice. Yeah, so that's all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also turn on notification so that anytime I drop video here, you will be notified.